Hello parents, welcome back to my channel Somna Kids World. I hope you all are doing good. So today I'm going to tell you that how you can teach your kids that which is a greater number. So in UKG, most of your parents you are worried that how to teach your UKG kids about which number is greater number. So here I'm going to tell you some tricks that how you can teach your kids about greater number. In UKG, the kids are know about from number 1 to 10. They are acquainted about numbers from 1 to 10. They know which number is greater. You can tell them by draw a number line also that which number comes right side or which number comes afterwards, those numbers are greater. Like suppose here I'm drawing one number line here. From here 0, then 1, then number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So here you can see a number line from 0 to 10, and if they don't understand, so you can tell them with the help of this number line that those number which come towards the right side, those numbers are greater number. Like 3, after 3 which number is greater? It's number 4. So right side of number 3, it's number 4, and this is the greater number. From 3, number 4 is the greater number. Likewise, after 4, which is the greater number? It's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Likewise, these are the greater number which comes afterwards. So here I have written some number. So what you will do, initially you have to give the numbers like this. Both the numbers are different. Don't give the numbers like 22 and 25. They will get confused to understand that which is the greater number. So initially you have to give the numbers like the one number you have to give before 50 and the other one you have to give after 50. Like here I have given the number, it's 23 and 84. So you tell the kids to see which number, the first number you tell them to see which is the first number. Here is number 2 and here is its number 8. So which number is the greater one? You have to tell the kid to see the first number. From these two number you have to tell to see the first number. So here it is number 2 and here it is number 8. So number 8 is the greater number. So 84 is greater number. Next one, like that you can tell them to see which is the greater one. Here it is number 5. The first one is number 5, whereas here is the first number is 7. So which number comes after which one is the greater one? It's number 7, because you can say after 5 number 7, 5, 6, 7. So 7 is a greater number. So here which is the greater one? 72 is the greater number. Here also you can tell them to see, here is the first number is number 1 and here is the number 2. The first number is number 2. So which one is the greater number? You just tell your kid to see the first number here. You can just tell them to see the first number. So here the number 1 is the first number, here 2. So which is the greater one? So number 2 is the greater one. So 26 is the greater one. Next one, 75 and 96. So here the first number is 7, whereas here the first number is 9. So which is the greater one? 7 or 9? So 9. So 96 is the greater one. So like this you can tell your kid to see which is the greater one. Just you have to see the first number. By seeing the first number, they can identify which is the greater number. So initially don't give this similar type of number like 35, 37. Like this type of number I'm going to tell you in my next video. So today I told you that how to give the number. So one number you give just before 50 and the other one you just give after 50. So likewise you have to give the number and tell them to see the first number. The first number you have to see and see which is the greater number. So I hope you understood now that how you can make understand your kids that how to identify which is the greater number. So if you find this video helpful, then please give a like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.